How to remove outline of text box in Microsoft Word. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the perfect way. So let's start with the video, guys, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay, so here we are. This is, I have a text box with outline and I have colorful outline, you can see. So how you can remove it? Just select the that text box. Okay, now here under the shape format, we need to go in shape format, and here you can see the option called shape outline. Just click on it and just click on no outline, then this outline has been will be removed. Okay, so this is actually I have also applied shapes effect, so I just remove the shape effect also. Let me select first. Okay, so okay, so I need to go in this shadow. Actually I have applied shadow effect, so I need to just make it normal. So you can see this effect also gone, and this border also has been, outline also gone of this text box. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.